25 reasons why no one is watching your videos. Let's start with why they never see you in the first place. Number 1, you spend way too much time thinking of the perfect video idea or learning how to become a YouTuber that you never actually become one. If this is you, do me a favor, okay? After you get through this video and you learn what not to do, go make something. Anything. It can be a short if you want it. Just make anything, okay? And the moment that you make something and that you upload it, you get ahead of 100% of people that want to be YouTubers. And speaking of shorts, number 2, you upload a short, it starts to take off, and then flatline. And you might think, oh no, they stopped watching. But no, that's not the case. They actually just stopped seeing you. And that's because YouTube stopped showing it to people. Why did YouTube do this? Well, the short answer is because the audience that they showed that last video to, they didn't really engage with it. Now, it doesn't mean it's bad content, but you can consider it dead. For now, okay? It's not dead forever. You can revive it. And I can tell you from personal experience because this has happened to me. I uploaded like 15 shorts and they all flatlined, but then finally, number 16, YouTube found the right audience for it. And then YouTube went back to all those flatline shorts and it started showing them to that audience, and then some started going viral. So people didn't stop watching, they're just waiting on more content. And YouTube's waiting on more content, so go make more content. Number 3. Your video has no clear point, okay? Title, description, you've pretty much given YouTube nothing to go on. And if YouTube has nothing to go on, it's not gonna show it to anybody. So at least put something in the description or title of what your video is about. Reason number 4 viewers aren't seeing you in the first place, you steal content. You thief.
John Scott, I salute you.
YouTube is cracking down on channels that take content from others and then offer a free Amazon gift card or whatever. And they've already cracked down on clip channels. For example, a channel that might take clips from the Avengers and get millions of views every single time. Yeah, they don't pay them. And you might be wondering, well, why do they do it then? Well, they do still get paid, and I'll give you a hint. Look at the music that they're using. Reason number 5, your content is AI slop. The more the AI advances, the more deboosting major platforms are going to have to do to keep the user experience positive. No one enjoys your CapCut edited mid-journey image collage with AI voiceover, and YouTube knows that. Okay, let's move on to the next category. You're being seen on the front page, but nobody's clicking. Number 6, and this is probably the most obvious, they don't know what your video's about. YouTube might, that's why it's showing it to this specific person. You might have included something in the description, you might have said something in your video that YouTube now knows what this video is about, but the viewer doesn't know what it's about. Which leads to number 7 and number 8. Number 7, your title doesn't convey anything about your video. Number 8, the thumbnail doesn't convey what your video is about. YouTube knows that this viewer will enjoy it, but you weren't clear with your packaging. But if you were obvious about what your video is about, then maybe number 9, the topic isn't good enough. Sometimes topics can be hit or miss, and YouTube will even tell you that in the analytics. You'll just see like this little pop-up and it'll be like, hey, no one cares. So it's worth it to do some research. Check out other channels in your niche and see what topics are working for them. Now that does take a little bit of time, or you could use the vidIQ tool, which pretty much does all that work for you and saves you so much time. Endless viral video ideas. Link in the description. Number 10, your thumbnail doesn't catch the eye. It's bland, it lacks good contrast, the colors suck, the font sucks. Maybe there's too much going on. That happens all the time. I do these thumbnail live streams and I see busy thumbnails constantly. Keep it simple, okay? All you gotta do is look on YouTube and see what colors work well together on thumbnails. They don't even have to be videos in your niche. Just look at the colors and look at the amount of things on the thumbnail. Spoiler, it's probably about 2 to 3. Keep it simple. Now, if the viewer gets past all that and they actually click, here are the reasons why they immediately click away. Number 11, terrible lighting. Some viewers will put up with bad lighting if they get what the packaging promised, but the one thing viewers will not put up with is number 12, terrible audio. Good audio is the very first thing you need to learn how to achieve. It's actually pretty simple. A cell phone mic is totally fine. As long as you have vocal clarity and the viewers don't hear too much of the room, you're golden. Number 13, no hooks. You haven't given the viewer a reason to stick around. The only reason you're watching this video right now is because there are more numbers I need to explain, and if there weren't, you probably wouldn't be watching, would you? Number 14, lack of topic in intro. You promised something in the packaging, and now the viewer's 30 seconds into the video, but they haven't seen anything related to what you said the video was about. Number 15, talking about yourself way too much. Why do people do this? I don't care why you haven't uploaded. So those are some reasons why viewers will bail in the intro. But what about just bailing in general? Let's talk about why viewers won't finish your video. Number 16, lack of structure. Now, most videos can be broken down into segments. Like this video, I broke the 25 points down into 5 categories. Number 17, clickbait. You promised something in the packaging that you didn't deliver on, and people bailed halfway through. Number 18, you're boring. Your delivery, you're boring. Like, people can't connect with you. You're not saying, just don't be boring, okay? Number 19, this is way worse than being boring, by the way. Inauthentic delivery. People don't want to watch somebody trying to be what they think a YouTuber is. They just want to watch somebody be themselves. Like right now, I'm speaking sort of like how I speak to a friend about something I'm excited about. That's just how I do my videos. I am just as annoying in person. Number 20, fluff. You ramble, you don't get to the point, you include stories that couldn't be further from what you're talking about, yet you try to connect it in some weird segue. Viewers have smartened up to retention tactics. And if you try to keep me around to the end, you say, hey, stick around to the end, there better be a good reason why you can't show me what I clicked for right now. Now, let's say the viewer does finish the video. Here's why they won't watch another one. Number 21, this is for entertainment channels, a lame climax, okay? You built all this up to something that was kind of disappointing. Number 22, no climax. There's no payoff. So all that momentum built up and then you bailed last minute, that viewer's not coming back either. Number 23, for education videos, no value. The viewer got nothing from your video. They thought they were gonna learn something new, but they didn't. Just the same old rehashed info that everybody else is saying, and they're not coming back. Just be upfront with what you're offering. Number 24, no call to action. If you got something out of this video, feel free to subscribe, and the next time that I upload, you'll know about it. If you're gonna put that anywhere, make sure it's at the end, because I said if you got something out of this video, nobody's gonna know at the beginning, and so they're not gonna subscribe. And the whole point of that is when they engage with your content, they will start seeing more of it on the front page, and they will watch more of your videos. Number 25, and this is the reason that most viewers won't watch another one of your videos. You didn't give them one to watch at the end. You didn't give them a reason that they had to watch it. Now, most of this video all depends on nailing the intro in the first place. And if you don't know how to craft a great intro, well, I got 9 of them for you right here. See, that is how you do an end screen.